Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay, we have to take 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Let us take one pair. Suppose we have taken pair 1 as 3 and 2. We have taken 2, 2 and 3, right? We've taken one pair, this 2 and 3. 2 is also a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. Now if we add 2 plus 3, 2, 2 plus 3, we are getting 5. Now 5 is also divisible by 5 and this number 5 is divisible by 5. That is 5 1 ja 5 and it is divisible, right? Okay. Now in one pair we have taken 2, 3. If we add 2 plus 3, we are getting 5 and 5 is also divisible by 5. Now we will take second pair. Second pair of numbers less than 20, right? We have taken second pair of numbers. We have taken second pair of numbers. Numbers may be 3 and 7. 3, 7. Right? Now if we add 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now if we divide 10 by 5, if we divide 10 by 5, it is also divisible by 5. 5 to the 10. Right? Our second pair is 3 and 7. Now if we take third pair, we are getting third pair is, suppose we take 2 and 13. 2 is also prime number and 13 is also prime number and they are also less than 20. Right? Now if we add 2, 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. Okay. Now 15 is also divisible by 5. If we divide 15 by 5, 5 3 is 15. It is also divisible by 5. Now if we take fourth pair, suppose we have taken the fourth pair as 3 and 17. 3 and 17. Fourth pair as 3 and 17. If we add both the numbers, we are getting 3 plus 17 is equal to 20. Now if we divide 20 by 5, it is also divisible. 5 4 ja 20. And the fifth pair may be taken as, now we are taking fifth pair. That is you have taken, if we take 11 and 19, both are prime numbers and also less than 20. If we add the numbers, that is 11 plus 19, we are getting 9 plus 1 10, 0, carry 1, 1 2 3, 30. If we divide 30 by 5, we are getting 5 6 30. This is also divisible, right? Now again, once again, we are repeating the same. The first one, the question is write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5, right? First we have taken one number, that is 2, 3. If we add the numbers, 2 plus 3 is 5, and if we divide 5 by 5, that is 1, 5 on 5, that means the sum is divisible by 5 also. Number 2 is, we have taken another pair, that is 3, 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and if we divide 10 by 5, 5 to the 10, it is also divisible by 5, right? The second pair is 3, 7. Next pair, if we take 2 and 13, if we add the numbers, 2 plus 13 is equal to 15, and 15 is also divisible by 5. 5 3 is 15. We have taken the fourth pair as 3 and 17. 3 plus 17 is equal to 20. If we divide 20 divided by 5, we are getting 5 4 is 20. That is, it is also divisible by 5. And the fifth pair we have taken 11 and 19. If we add 11 plus 19, we are getting 30. And you see 30 is also divisible by 5. 5 6 is 30. This is the solution of question number 11, exercise 3.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.